What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to style your Roblox avatar. All you have to do once you're inside your Roblox account, guys, just simply click the burger menu on the left hand side and go to avatar. Now from here you just want to go ahead and click on recent and click on all, and you can find what clothing your avatar has, and based on those clothing that your avatar has, you can go ahead and you can deselect some of those clothing or deselect all that the avatar has, and you can style it afterwards to the way you want. So let's say I'm gonna give the avatar a different face, I can do that. Let's say I'm gonna give him the avatar right here, I can do that as well. Let's say I want to give him a stylish glasses like a Ray-Ban, I can do that too, right? So go ahead and style your avatar to the way you like. I'm going to give the avatar some clothes here, and I'm going to put the avatar in some sleeve here. You can go through and you can style whatever it is that you want from your avatar. Super easy and super simple, guys. So just go ahead, go through it, style the avatar to your liking, and once you do so, your avatar will be looking nice and lovely. I want to show you something else as well. So you can also go over to where it says head and body, and you can also click on skin tone, and you can give your avatar a tone that you desire as well. So if you want to make your avatar look something like in this color, you can give the avatar that color as well. It's really up to you how you really want to do it. So I'm going to give the avatar something like this here, or maybe something like this here, so to give the avatar a little bit of a tone there. And you can go through and you can do whatever it is that you want. You can click and close as well, and you can see some of the things that they have. You can check sweaters, you can check t-shirts, you can check all of those different things that is available. Keep in mind that not everything is free, so you might need some Robux here to give your avatar some of those fancy stuff that you want to, but in general you get the general idea how you can style your avatar. Once you find something that you like, once you style your avatar to the way you like, guys, all you have to do when you're doing that is click and save if you're going to style it in certain advanced feature. But that's how you do it. It's very easy and very simple. I would suggest that you come around and play around with it, guys. See what's here, and be creative and style your avatar to the way you like. Have a look at that. My avatar is super sick right now. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. If you found value here, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.